Welcome to our English classes. Children, yesterday I told you how Isabel, a very brave and courageous girl, she was not afraid of anything. As first she met the bear and she ate the bear. Second time she met a witch and she turned the witch into milk and drank her. So courageous. Then whom she met? She met a giant, and the giant was so ugly, so horrified, but still she was not afraid of the giant. So children, I am carrying on this poem. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. Isabel, she didn't scream or scurry, didn't get panic. What did she do? She nibbled the Zubek that she always fed up. She made small pieces of that bread. Zubek is a kind of bread, a toasted bread. She ate that bread, and after she has finished the bread, what did she do? And when it was gone, she cut the giant's head off. Here means after she has finished the bread, what she did do? She just cut the giant's head off. Just imagine. So much, fantasy also, comic also, interesting also. Then what happened? After getting rid of that giant, no, she met whom? Isabel met a troublesome doctor. Troublesome doctor? A doctor who was in trouble himself. He punched and poked all till really shocked her. Now, as a doctor, when he was a doctor, but he himself was a troublesome person. When Isabel went to her, so children, as I told you that the doctor himself was a troublesome person. So what happened? He punched and he poked till he really shocked her. He made so punches and he poked him. He just shook him. He tried all whatever he could do to make Isabel frightened or get worried. But what happened? The doctor's talk was of cough and chills. The doctor himself, he was suffering with coughs and chills. So, and the doctor's satchel buckled with pills. And the doctor's satchel, do you know what the name is satchel? A kind of a bag in which the doctor kept all kinds of pills. The doctor said unto Isabel, so he said, he was telling to Isabel, swallow this, it will make you well. The doctor who himself was in trouble, and that girl who was not afraid of anything, perfectly all right, the doctor with so many medicines and pills, he was telling that girl to swallow this pill, that will make you well. But again that is repeated. Isabel didn't worry. What happened? Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She neither screamed, she didn't shouted anything. Instead of all this situation, she took those pills from the pill concoter. Concoter is a kind of a large dark cave-like space. A space here you can see or you can imagine that all the pills were kept there. As the doctor was a troublesome doctor, so nothing was so very quite very to say that girl was not feeling quite perfect or comfortable with the doctor. Then what kind of a doctor he is with having so many problems himself. So thus what happened to Isabel? And Isabel calmly cured the doctor. Oh, what a joke. The Isabel who went to be cured by the doctor, but the doctor who himself was not in a proper condition, Isabel calmly, very calmly, she cured the doctor himself. So children, I think so children, did you like this poem? I hope so. If I was in the class, then you really would have enjoyed this poem, and really you would have liked that poem because it was so interesting, comic, and with so many funs and you can say comedy and humorous also. Children, as this I have finished this poem with you. So I told you to write if you are having books or not having the books, but I told you children to write 12 lines of the poem from the picture which I had sent you twice. So if the children who are not having the books, they cannot say, ma'am, I don't have the book, because I have made your work very easy. I myself have sent the pictures so that you may write the poem from the pictures sent to you. Understood, children? So that is, you might have written the poem as you have written. I have checked your copies also. Some of the students have made the drawing also. Very good. You all are doing it very well. Carry on, children. Now, children, after this, we are going to start doing the question answers. Children, you are going to write the same date and everything in the perfect manner. Answer the following questions. After that, you are going to underline it. And you are going to write the question. The first question is, what did Isabel do before she ate the bear? तो इसका आंसर क्या है? She washed her hands and straightened her hair before she ate the bear. She washed her hands, बाल straight किया, and hair, and before she ate the bear. Perfectly. After every answer, you are going to leave a line and draw a line, children. Understood? Underline with proper. Always use scale while you are drawing the line. Then we are coming to the second question. What did the witch look like? Witch कैसी दिखती थी? She looked old, wicked, wrinkled, and its gums with teeth were sprinkled. Sprinkle means फैले gums जो होते हैं ना, like that only. And it's just so ugly. Then we are coming to the third question. How did Isabel deal with the witch? अब वो deal कैसे उसने किया witch से? Very interesting. Isabel showed no anger, कोई गुस्सा नहीं, and fear, and she turned the witch into milk and drank her, as I have told you, children. So, children, I think this is the written work which you are going to do. And children, if you are having any queries about the poem or the question answers, then you can ask me. As usually, you ask me, and again I tell you the same thing, children, that I am there to help you and solve your all queries. So thank you, children.